It is the 7th of November, 2019. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up, and go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lauren Salter, Gabriola Island, British Columbia, Canada. And this week I did my goal of reading Python, or actually code. I checked out Wikifactory and GitHub. I think I got started checking out GitHub. I didn't do much on that. And I read some articles from Make, the new Make magazine. So the cover story is about a kitten, and I'll talk about it in crosstalk. We talked before, but I kind of read it in detail because it was sort of interesting in relation to what we're doing. And coming week, I want to continue to look at Arduino and Python code. I did look at the Python code for the serial. And I want to continue to do that. And I don't know, something with Python. I want to maybe do something with Python this week, expanding on what Michael's done. So that's the coming week. And blocks. Yeah, I had kind of knocked down and knocked out from everything that's happened the last couple of months and my trip to Italy. So I'm trying to sleep and think a lot to get past that. That's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, I was at Stand Up and I posted the recording, and I invited one new member to the Google group. And unfortunately, that's about all I got through. Next week, I'm hoping to do a little bit of breadboarding with the chips that I investigated and looked through and found a couple weeks ago. And basically doing some testing, blinking LEDs, taking some video of it, making sure that the multiplexer and the driver chips work the way I think they do before I try hooking up the serial again. Blocks, nothing that you can help with, just trying to get enough time together in one block to actually do something. And I guess that's about it for me.
Okay, so my retro is a 3. I did some of the things I wanted to. They weren't very much. And I came to the meeting. Team is 10. The process improvement is still kind of to invigorate things and get more people on. And that would be it.
Okay, I'm gonna give myself, I'm looking for 3 points, and maybe, so that's 5 out of 10 for the accomplishments and 1 for showing up. So I think it's 6 out of 10. I'll go with probably 6 for the team. That would be helpful if we had more people showing up. And I don't really have a process improvement as such. It's kind of tough to implement with just the 2 of us.
There's people out there. Like, what surprised me in Linwood is there's no relation between the stand-up and how many people are working. When there was a Linwood, I don't know what's happening there. But you know, there'd be troops of people there, but I rarely heard from them. So.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I have a.
Go ahead.
I have a couple things to mention in crosstalk about that. So why don't you go ahead and start?
Okay. I'm kind of interested in, for myself, stopping recording for the crosstalk.
Okay, I will hit stop.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Gotta walk back to the laptop.
Now I see the recording button.
There. And we hit stop.